Good morning students. Today we will see the next topic of chapter 3 fractions. The topic name to insert a fraction between the two given fractions. So we have to insert the fraction between the two given fractions. So the steps for these: add numerators of the given fraction to get the numerator of required fraction. Similarly, add their denominators of the required fraction and then simplify if required. We have to follow this step to insert a fraction between two given fractions. Now we'll see example. Example 1. Insert one fraction between 3 divided by 7 and 4 divided by 9. Solution: a fraction between 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 9 is equal to, see, add numerators of the given fraction to get the numerator of required fraction. So do the addition of numerators. 3 plus 4 divided by, then similarly add their denominators of the required fraction. So 7 plus 9, so which is equal to 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 7 16, so which is the required fraction between the two fractions 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 9. Now we'll see the next sum, next example. Example 2. Insert three fractions between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. Solution: we'll find out first fraction in between these two fractions. A fraction between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9 is equal to, see, addition of numerators, 2 plus 4, 5 plus 9 denominators, so 6 upon 9 plus 5 14. So we can simplify this. 2 3s are 2 7s are, so 3 upon 7. This is the first fraction between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. Now we'll find out a fraction between 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7, so which is equal to 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7, so 5 divided by 12. Now next, third fraction, and a fraction between 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 9 is equal to 3 plus 4 divided by 7 plus 9, so which equals 7 divided by 16. So therefore the required three fractions between 2 by 5 and 4 by 9 are 3 by 7, 5 by 12 and 7 upon 60. So which is the required answer. Now we will see another examples. Sorry, we'll see the next topic. Operations on fractions. We have to see the four basic operations on fractions, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we'll see first addition and subtraction. I'll explain this concept with an example. We'll see first example. Example first. Add 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. Solution. See, 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8 is equal to, here the denominators are same, so these are the like fractions. So 8, do the addition of numerators, 1 plus 5, so 6 upon 8, which is the required answer. Now we'll see example 2. Subtract 1 upon 4, this fraction, from 5 divided by 7. Solution. 5 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. So we have to subtract this fraction 1 upon 4 from 5 upon 7. So LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. So 7 4s are 28, 4 5s are 20, then minus 4 7s are 28, 7 multiply 1 7, so 20 minus 7, so 13 divided by 28, which is the required answer. Now we'll see second, multiplication. This operation. So example first. Multiply 5 by 3 upon 8. So solution. See, here we have to multiply by an integer to a fraction. So therefore 5 multiplied by 3 upon 8 is equal to, so when you are multiplying fraction with an integer, so multiply its numerator with an integer. So 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 8, so 15 divided by 8. So in mixed fraction you can write this 1 whole 7 upon 8. Now we'll see example 2. Multiply 3 upon 5 by 2 upon 7. Solution. See, we have to do the multiplication of these two fractions. So 3 upon 5 multiply with the 2 upon 7 is equal to. So when you are doing the multiplication of these two fractions, so multiply their numerators together and multiply denominators separately together. So 3 multiplied by 2, so 5 multiplied by 7, so it is 6 divided by 35, so which is the required answer. Now we will see division. Next operation, third, division. First example, we will see example first. Five upon 8 divided by 2. So solution. So 5 upon 8 divided by 2 is equal to. So we will divide 5 upon 8 divided by 2. So which is 2 means 2 upon 1. So it is 5 upon 8. So reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. So which is equal to, so product of numerators and product of denominators. So 5 divided by 8 to the 16. So which is the required answer. Now we will see next sum. Example 2. 7 divided by 10 is divided by 3 upon 4. Solution. 7 upon 10 divided by 3 upon 4 is equal to 7 upon 10 regularly divided by 3 upon 4. So we will take the reciprocal of 3 upon 10. So 7 upon 10 and multiply. So reciprocal of 3 upon 10 is 4 upon 3. So the product of numerator, 7 4s are 28, 10 3s are 30. We can reduce this in lowest form. 2 1s are 2 5s are, and 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So 14 divided by 15 is the required answer. Now we will see different varieties of example also. Evaluate. First, 4 divided by 5 divided by 7 divided by 15 of 8 divided by 9. And second one, 4 divided by 5 divided by 7 upon 15 multiplied by 8 upon 9. We will see first the solution. I will write 4 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 15 of 8 upon 9 is equal to. See, here we have to use the rule BODMAS. B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So off means multiplication. So first we have to do the multiplication between these two fractions, 7 upon 15 and 8 upon 9. So 4 upon 5 as it is, divided by this symbol as it is. So 7 8s are 56 and 15 nines are 135. So next 4 upon 5. So we have to divide 4 upon 5 with the 56 upon 135. So we'll take their reciprocal. So 135 divided by 56. So we can reduce it in lowest form also. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, then 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 13 minus 10 3 remaining, then 35, 5 7s are 35. So 27 divided by 14. So in mixed fraction you can write 1 whole 13 divided by 14. So which is the required answers. So students, today we shall stop here. We'll see the different varieties of example in next lecture. Thank you.